This is Teacher Helen's car. It is broken. Look at the hole! Is this Teacher Helen's new car?
This is how to Helen's first car, the 2006 Volkswagen Golf, and I completely broke it. Hello and welcome to How to Helen, where you learn something different every day. In this episode, I learned that if you buy a cheap car, like this one, that has over 100,000 miles with no service record, at least change the timing belt, because if the timing belt breaks on you, then the car is completely gone. This happened to me last weekend when I was on the highway and the timing belt broke. Here, let me show you how it broke. And now I feel like a bigger idiot because all I had to do was take out the timing belt cover and it's only held down by two clips that you can take off by hand and check. But now, it's too late because the timing belt broke, and since this is an interference engine, there's probably bent valves in it. Honestly, this could have been avoided if I just did the proper maintenance on this car. So it is really my fault. This car is or was actually our first Volkswagen. These cars are really fun to drive. They're the perfect balance of fun zippy cars and practical in every way. Now, not to incriminate myself, but the time that the timing belt broke, this car was driven the way it's meant to be driven. Unfortunately, these cars don't have value here in the US, so if I put a new engine in, it's gonna be more expensive than the whole car. So my choices are either junk it or sell it for parts, which really breaks my heart. So if you've been neglecting changing your timing belt, please consider doing it so in the future. Otherwise, your car might suffer the same fate as mine. So this has been another episode of How to Helen. Goodbye 2006 Volkswagen Golf. I'm really sorry I screwed up. My name's Rjeff, and thank you for watching.
This is Teacher Helen's car, and it's broken. This is Teacher Helen's car, and it's broken. Oh! Look at the hole! Is this Teacher Helen's new car?
Right. One more. Wait, look at me. So, is this Tita Helen's new car? Ready? Go.
Is this Teacher Helen's new car?
Show me.
Is this Teacher Helen's new car?
There you go.
Is this